All right, so now you get the little notification, the money done came in. You know, what was that moment like? Because I mean, fuck, it's life changing in the beginning to make $10,000. I can only imagine what it's like to, you know, get damn near 100 grand,
bro.
That's fucking crazy.
Like, honestly, bro, it's like I felt like there's something wrong with me, bro. Like, you know, like when in the NBA when they make the three, they go like ice in their veins.
Yeah. Oh, you
got ice in your veins.
It came through. He was like, ugh.
It's like clutch. Like, I mean, you just
clutch shit.
Like, you don't even like I just in this business because there's just so much up and downs. It's like you have to like stay level. Like, it doesn't matter if a deal closes or not. You just gotta stay flatline. Like you're almost dead. Like you're almost dead. Like you don't even have. I didn't have any emotion, honestly, bro.
When we were at Fresno State, our special teams, we had it was a special teams constitution. Strat, that's way before your time, man. Coach Baxter had already been gone. But one thing that was in there, and I think we lived it pretty damn well, was you celebrate all victories. So whether that means you won that play, whatever it may be, like you celebrate those victories because, like you said, this business is so up and down. You got to fucking celebrate those. You know what I mean? Right. Because who knows what you might go through before you get to, you know, something that, you know, something
another fat
rip like that. Right. You know what I mean? So that's definitely something to celebrate, man, because that shit doesn't happen, bro. I rip off 50, 60, you know, 40, 50, 60, and I'm like, fuck yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So you used to make 75 a year.
I know, right?
Motherfucker, you made that in a month.
I know. I mean, I guess it's unreal. Like it really hasn't hit me. I mean, it's just.
Thank you for tuning in to the Free Agent Real Estate Investing Podcast. Don't forget to give us a 5-star review. If you would like to stay in touch with Stratton and myself, follow us on Instagram. And please be sure to subscribe to our Free Agent REI Podcast YouTube channel.